Women's Space is a community-based women's organization located in Lethbridge, Alberta, which aims to respect and reflect the diversity of women. In our Financial Literacy for Aboriginal Women course, women will learn about money and how to manage their financial challenges. They'll increase their understanding of financial issues that affect them, ultimately expressing a sense of control over their financial lives, resulting in an increase in positive feelings about the future. What is financial literacy? Financial literacy is simply the ability to understand money and how it works in your world. Our program will help you gain financial skills such as goal setting, budgeting, saving, and navigating banking systems. It will change your thinking about money increase, your understanding of financial issues, and help you feel a sense of control over your financial life. In this lesson, we are going to focus on budgeting. Different families receive different incomes from different sources. We want to show you some easy ways to keep track of it all. The process of budgeting that we will be looking at is how to divide and distribute that money on a monthly basis. To begin, you'll need to find a method of tracking your spending. Try using an envelope. Keep all of your receipts from things you buy and put them into an envelope so you can record them in a notebook or computer at the end of the day, week, or month. You can also just use a notebook. Keep a small notebook or notepad with you in your purse or bag. Write down all of your purchases under the different categories they fall under or by the date on which you bought it. You probably already have a calendar hanging in your kitchen. Use it to write down when things need to be paid and when things have been paid. Personal agendas are great for this too. Bank statements will show you a complete list of where any money is spent using your debit card. If you use a debit card for most of your purchases, use your bank statement to keep track of what you buy or use it to verify purchases and amounts that you've already written down or recorded. The key to your success with any of these methods is consistency. Pick a method that is easy for you to keep doing. Let's start building the framework for your budget. To start, calculate your total monthly income. Add up all of the amounts you receive minus deductions like taxes or other amounts required by certain benefit programs. Next, use the information you've been recording through your selected tracking method and add up your total monthly expenses. A great way to simplify this process is to break it down into categories like housing, family, groceries, and transportation. You may have already done this in your tracking method, making this step even easier. Subdivide categories even further to keep things even more organized, giving you the clearest picture of your costs. For example, housing can be divided into what you pay for rent or mortgage, utilities like electricity, natural gas, and water, as well as home insurance and household costs like your phone and internet. Groceries can be divided into food and toiletries. Transportation can include your car loan, car insurance, gas and parking, or bus fare and bus passes. Family could include clothing and child expenses. Debt and savings could also appear as categories in your breakdown. Now that you've calculated both your total income and your total expenses for the month, subtract the amount for expenses from the amount of your income. What's left over is your personal allowance and is commonly referred to as disposable income. Make sure to manage your debt repayments for things like credit cards and bank loans. This shouldn't take up more than 15% of your total budget. Establish a system of savings. Try putting aside 10% of your total income each month as you receive it. A foundational principle in managing your money is being realistic about what you actually spend on a monthly basis and take time to discriminate between needs and wants. This will be essential on your path to success in managing your money. Through budgeting, you will discover your spending patterns and you will be able to set short-term and long-term goals for both expenditure and savings. Our guidebook includes a wealth of helpful information on government assistance programs that you may qualify for, as well as easy-to-use tips on saving money across the many categories of your monthly expenses. Attend our course at Women's Space in Lethbridge, Alberta for more details and personal assistance on how to manage your money by increasing your financial literacy.